Hello, this is Troy, Kilo Foxtrot 7, Sierra Echo Yankee, here with another 3D printed project I figured I would share. I have an American Morse equipment Porta-Paddle. I thought I'd pull out and dust off. I've had this for many years. This is kind of one of my first paddles that I got early on, kind of before, a lot of portable paddles that we have options to now. We didn't really have a lot when I first got this one. There was a few of them out there. So I decided to modify it a little bit here, and I made a leg strap here with a Velcro cinch strap. And what this does is allows you to, you can turn it kind of like this and allow it to pivot both ways on your leg if you want. If you want it left or if you're right-handed, or if you're left-handed, you can just, slip the cinch strap. Originally, I just had a cable coming out of it wired up, just like, I think if I remember right, the instructions had it set up. So in this, I decided to print with a 3.5 millimeter plug. So yeah, I had one of these 3.5 millimeter stereo plugs to put in there. I 3D printed it with that, and then wired it in underneath there, which is really hard to see, but I'll throw some pictures up here of what it looked like as I assembled it. That allows me to use a cable, right? And then I can... So that's it. I will put this on Thingiverse for anybody that wants to make one and give it a go.